Namaste. The Ugly Duckling. Once upon a time, a beautiful duck was sitting on 7 eggs. She wanted to hatch them. After many days, each egg started to crack. One by one, 6 yellow chicks came out. The proud mother was happy. The seventh egg was larger than the others. It took a little longer to hatch. When the chick emerged, he was large and grey in color. Mother duck wondered whether the last egg was hers, but she decided to take him also for swimming the following day. When all the 6 ducklings swam well, the 7th grey ducklings swam better. Mother duck loved him as did her other ducklings. The duck from the other brood saw the ugly ducklings. They did not want the ugly duckling to stay in their area. Mother duck took pride in his swimming skills. She told the other ducks, "Leave him alone." The ugly duckling tolerated the rude behavior of ducks from the other brood as well as other animals, but his own brothers and sisters teased him, so he became sad. One day he left his mother's home and wandered into the woods. He approached some wild ducks living on the moor. They also did not befriend him. An old lady sheltered him for some days. She wanted the ugly ducklings to lay a large number of eggs. After many days, she realized the ugly ducklings cannot lay eggs. So she drew him out of the cottage. It was winter. The ugly ducklings kept himself warm under reeds, but he did not have food. He was very lonely too. As spring came, the ugly ducklings felt happy. He wanted to fly. He spread his wings with joy. He flew to the nearest pond and he landed there with joy. He saw a few swans. Instantly, he wanted to reach them and to become their friends. He hesitated. He remembered his ugliness. He hung his head in shame. He saw a beautiful reflection in the water. He found a beautiful swan below him. He was surprised and finally understood that he belonged to the family of swans. The other swans came close to him and said, "You are the most beautiful swan we have ever seen." Moral: everyone is beautiful. Don't dislike anyone for their present look or status. Value: beauty does not lie outside of you. Beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. The beauty of the mind, soul grows as one grows older. If you nurture the beauty of your thoughts, you will be beautiful forever. Thank you.